Hello again, it's group 11 and I am going to explain the second example of classification of neural network. This particular example is of multi-layer perceptron. Previous we talked about single layer perceptron. Now it is multi-layer perceptron. It has hidden layer with 2 nodes and 2 input. We had given x1 is equals to 1, x2 is equals to 0 with respective weight of x1 to connect this to h1 and h2 each with w1 is equals to 2 and w3 is equals to 1. For x2 input, respective nodes h1, h2 will be connected with the help of weight w2 is equals to -3 and w4 is equals to 4. We are given also for hidden layer w5 is equals to 2 and w6 is equals to -1, which will help hidden layer to connect with the node of output. Activation function is given to us. If x greater than equals to 0, we have to consider our x value is 1. And if x less than 0, then our activation function answer will be considered as 0. Now we can see the figure. x1 has a 1 input and x2 has a 0 input. 0 as the input. There are 2 connecting edges will be come out from the x1 with respective weight w1 is equals to 2 and w3 is equals to 1 and connect with the 2 nodes of hidden layer h1 and h2. Same for x2, which help x2 to connect the hidden layer 2 nodes h1 and h2 with the connecting edges w3 is equals to -3 and w4 is equals to 4. h1 and h2 will be helped by its respective weight w5 is equals to 2 and w6 is equal to -1 to connect with output node. So we are given problem that we have to find out forward propagation for multi-layer perceptron. So to find out h1 in, this is h1 in is equals to w1 x1 plus w2 x2. Put all the values which are given in the statement, that is 2 into 1 plus -3 into 0. We will get our h1 is equals to 2. Applying activation function, we can see that h1 is equals to 2, which is greater than 0. So our h1 in value, which is 2, will become 1 as the output for h1 to connect for output node. Similar with the h2, w3 x1 plus w4 x4, 1 into 1 plus 4 into 0, we get answer 1. Again applying activation function on it, we will get h2 is equals to 1 greater than 0. So here 1 is greater than 0, that's why our h2 out will be considered as a 1. So this is our h2 in, and after applying activation function, this is our h2 out. Same for h1. After applying activation function, it becomes h-put out. Now we have to calculate our output answer. So for that, h1 out into w5 plus h2 out into w6. We had saw that after applying activation function, our h1 out is 1 and our w5 weight is 2. So 1 into 2 plus our h2 also become 1 after activation function and our -1, which is given in the statement, our w6. Calculating it, 2 plus whole bracket -1, we will able to get +1. Again apply activation function on output answer. So here we can see output is equals to 1, which is greater than 0. So our output finally we have achieved is 1. So finally output of multi-layer perceptron using forward propagation is 1.